So hello guys, this is Rain Gaming. I know I have done a new intro today. Congratulations to me. Yeah, I know I have not done intros in many of my videos, but I haven't been doing it now. Like this 3-second intro, the slash one. If you people like it, slap the like button, subscribe to this channel, tell me and notify if you're there or not. Sorry, the notification bell is for, you know, just if I upload any videos, it'll notify you if I when I upload my videos, and so then you can become first on my video. Yeah, so guys, this was it for the video. This was just for the new intro. I know for the past few days is yeah, and I'm about to hit 5,000 views. I really want to hit it, the 5,000 views. And yeah, bye guys.